Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Random Video Game Repair! Episode 36, I believe. We have run out of original Game Boy games. Ran out of these a while ago and now we're switching out the label. We're going to replace it with disc-based games. So we'll have to prepare some disc games. And I've taken some of the 3DS games for another idea, project, thing, and work on those individually. So we're going to replace it with Atari 2600. And there we go. So we got Atari and disc-based games now to add to the will, to William. Well, let's go ahead and spin William around, give him a little bit of an assist, and he will decide what game we will be working on today. Whether it'll be Game Boy, Game Boy Advanced, DS, whatever, games. Let's go. Game Boy Advanced. Thank you, William. And here is our Game Boy Advanced game chest. And we only have 2 games left. So let's go ahead and randomize them. Grab one randomly. And we are going to be working on Star Wars Flight of the Falcon. Nice. And it is legitimate. It has the embossed number on there. So let's see what this thing is looking like. We need to grab our Game Boy Advanced. And I just remembered we can actually use the DS to test this out. Let's see. What sort of issues are we having with this game? There is no DS pack inserted. Or actually Game Boy pack. I was thinking of the DS, but yeah, that's okay. It's not working down there either. We'll reseat it and try it one more time. Still no game pack inserted. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's grab our iFixit, Lantis, Mantis, Lantis, Crantis, Blantis, whatever this thing is, toolkit, and there actually has a Y00000. Let's go ahead and try opening this with this one, and I'm about to get the bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna get the bigger. And there we go. Okay, how do we look on the inside? Got a little bit of funkiness right here. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh, that looks pretty cloudy on those pins. Okay. Don't see anything else catastrophically wrong, but those pins definitely need to be cleaned for sure. All right. Ba-ba-da-bum. Wyman Glass Stove Top Cleaner Polish. Trademark. Wow, that is bleak. My mama told me I like to sing about the moon and the June and the spring. I like to sing. Definitely getting some gray still coming up. Alright, let's see how this is looking now. I'll already look at that. Let's get the rest of this goop off. And there we go. Those look pretty good. Very nice. All right, we'll go ahead and clean that off with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol, and we'll test it out. All right, let's go ahead and clean this main board off. Just make sure we don't have anything on there either. We'll clean the case as well. All right, and there we go. Little gunkiness left. We'll clean up one more. We should be okay. Might be some marring. Yeah, looks like a little bit of marring, maybe. Alright, and here we go. Let's go. This piece, and we got this piece, and we got this piece. I think this goes like this. And this should go like this. There we go. These specks are these stars. I think they might be stars. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and grab the confidence case screw and screw it in, because I think we're a little bit more confident. We'll see. There we go. Maraca. And let's grab our DS and test it out. Alright. Oh, there we go. Start GBA. Oh, there we go. LucasArts. LucasArts logo. All licensed by Nintendo. Will it? Yep, it'll boot all the way in. Okay, very good. Sometimes these Game Boy Advance games, it's either like the pins need to be cleaned, contacts, or the ROM needs to be reseated. Is this the game that is incredibly hard to play and really buggy? Let's find out. I often think, when was the last time this game was played? Who played it last? Did they enjoy it? Is this a horrible game? How long has this game been inoperable? Years? Did someone miss this game? Did they lose it? Did they sell it? Did they exchange it? Well, what happened there? Oh, there was names. Right, let's check out the options, because why not? You never know. Maybe there'll be something funny. View. What? Okay. View credits. Music. What other options? Oh, no, not new game. Options. View credits. Volume. Sound. Invert access. View credits. Can we skip the credits? Pocket Studios. Right. Left. Left. Right. Down. Up. B. A. Y. Oh. What happened? Something happened. I don't know. Oh, CSS. ALF. ALF. ALH. Tom. DJW. And Gab. Well, the game was played at least. You know, people enjoyed the game, presumably. Maybe they were just stubborn. We don't know yet. What's the password system? Is it cool or is it incredibly generic? Oh, let's see. Again, no vowels. Okay, sure. I guess that's save room on the ROM, I suppose. We can put a question mark, though. Pew, 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 pew. Cool. All right. Yeah, we get it. They're flexing on us. Well, how does the game work? Let's see. Start new game. Okay. Those are some spaceships. That's a drop. Oh, we can do okay. Okay. That looks to me like a TIE fighter. Possibly some bow tie macaroni. There's a TIE fighter. A long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Star Wars. Ooh, that looks great. Just evaporates into 1 FPS per second. Fly to the Falcon! That's the galactic.
The Empire threatens to wipe away the last remnants of the Republic. The galaxy stands poised on the brink of civil war. Resistance to the Empire's tyranny and oppression has spread, culminating in the formation of the Rebel Alliance. However, the Empire is in the final stages of preparation to crush the rebellion. The glowing storm of events threatens to engulf the galaxy, including a Corellian smuggler piloting the Millennium Falcon en route to Tatooine at the behest of the Time Lord Jabba the Hutt.
How have I not messed up on any of these words? They're like traveling at 1 FPS per second. And they're all blurry, but I still got through them. That would be the Tantive 4, and that would be a Star Destroyer. An Imperial Star Destroyer, to be technical. Oh, okay. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Okay, up is up, down is down. Oh, getting dizzy already. Woo, I got one. Don't get cocky, kid. What the heck was that? Was that a flash of... Oh, what? Okay, that's a lot. Hey, I got one. Ooh, dang. Whee! That's cool. I like that. Wah! Woo! This isn't bad. So far, we haven't gotten hit yet. Oh, I think we got hit. You just have to aim at the pixels. The square, you know, the 1x1 pixels. Oh, come on. None of that hit. Oh, good heavens, it's a little hard to see anything. Imperial Star Destroyer, Imperial Shuttle. Fire! Come on, hit it. Got it. Power up, power up, power up. Dang, look at this. That's kind of a... it's like a flashbang. How long does this level end long? Oh, it's frame rate slowing down. Oh, I got hit, dang it. What's that? What the heck is that? Oh, is it the Star Destroyer? Okay. I think we gotta hit the green square, but it's a little hard to tell anything. Did we just blow up on their ship? Or did we win? Did we lose? Oh, I give up. Well, I don't know if we won or lost there. Well, Mr. Star Wars Flight to the Falcon, you are from 2003. What secrets did you hold back in the day? What long road trips through trains and cars and planes and bathroom visits did you go through? Anyways, let's look this game up. Alright, yeah, I looked it up, and it's about an $8 game. $7 on a bad day, and about $10 on a good day. So, that is the reality of William the Random Game Wheel. Sometimes we have an easy one, sometimes we have a hard one, but we get to see what these games look like. How difficult are they? Are they any good? Did people love these games? We found out that at least somebody loved it, and somebody played it till like the end. They have a lot more patience than me, so that's cool. We are done. We have another $10 game to add to the horde to sell and buy more broken games and more broken electronics. Yippee! Thank you guys for watching, and I will continue to make videos, hopefully. And hopefully I have a string of videos throughout the week. At least Thursdays and Saturdays is what I'm aiming for, so hopefully that will work out. I have no idea if that will, but thank you guys for watching, and God bless. And have a great day.